Welcome to Review Detective, guys. In today's video we'll take a look at the Sony a6000 and if it's still worth buying 4 years later since its release date in 2014. The size of this small mirrorless camera has always been its selling point, but let's see what else it has to offer. For starters, the a6000's 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor is quite amazing. It has great color reproduction, as you can see here. It will allow you to take sharp pictures full of details in the shadows that can easily be recovered in post-processing. Now, if ISO range is important to you, you'll be happy to know that the camera is capable of ISO 100 to 25,600 and up to 12,800 for video, which is more than enough to record even in low light situations, as you can see here. Besides its amazing sensor, the 179 phase detect points of the a6000 ensures blazing fast focus of 0.06 seconds, and the autofocus detect spans 92% of the sensor width and 91% of its height, meaning you can get more in focus when filming or taking pictures. On the outside, the camera has one of the best grips I've used so far. It's quite large and is covered in nice rubberized material, which ensures it doesn't slip out of your hands. The rest of the camera is made of metal and polycarbonate material, which feels sturdy and gives the a6000 a premium feel. Furthermore, the Sony's compact body has easy to reach controls that feel well built and tell easily lasting use of day-to-day shooting. The OLED 1.4 million dot EVF is also quite impressive, as it provides 100% coverage and the colors look quite nice. But where the a6000 shows its age is with its non-touch 3-inch LCD panel with a rather low 921,600 dot resolution. But on the upside, the panel does swivel up to 90 degrees and down 45 degrees, making it easier to take shots from difficult or awkward angles. As for shooting at night, the camera does have a built-in flash that can easily light up a dark room when needed. The battery life only lasts around 325 shots per charge, and cold weather will significantly reduce that time, so be sure to have extra batteries with you. Even though the battery life drains fast, once you have the tripod mount fixed to the camera, you'll be happy to know that both your memory card and battery are still accessible, which comes in handy when needing to swap them. And if you're using a fast memory card, you'll be able to take full advantage of Sony's 50 megabytes per second XAVCS format, giving you more details when filming, and with the latest firmware update, a faster startup time as well. Now, of course, the a6000 is not perfect. It has some quirks like the neck strap mounting points that rattle on the camera's metal body, the lack of audio jack coupled with pretty bad internal audio recording, and the somewhat slow startup time are just some of its most noticeable downsides. But at $445 for the body alone and $648 for the kit lens package, this enthusiast camera is still a real bargain. And talking about the kit lens, even though it's not the best I've used so far, I did manage to get some nice pictures out of it, as you can see here. And since the camera does not have internal stabilization, the optical stabilization of the kit lens does help with smoother handheld footage, as seen here. So there you have it, guys, an awesome camera that won't break the bank. The a6000 is a compact mirrorless beast that's capable of doing much of what a DSLR can. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and if you know of any better cameras in this price range, let us know in the comments down below. Review Detective out.